Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to be changing this. I want to go with a different hair color and I decided to go with my favorite one. I have used this before. This is going to be my fourth box. So I am using eSalon and I love the packaging, how it comes. I'm going for a very bold, different color. I'm going to touch on that in a second. I want to show you everything you get in here. So here it is. I am not sponsored by them. If they ever ask me, this is a sponsorship that I'm willing to take. So here are the instructions, so you don't have to guess. It even has your name on it. And yes, that is my full name. It's not Eve, it's Evelina. And then you even get a brush with this. It is a nice brush. I like it a lot. Do I use it all the time? No, I don't. I like just to use my hands, and I really get in there with my fake nails, of course with a glove on. And let's go ahead and show you how amazing this packaging looks. Look at that. Absolutely love this. Now you get step 1. So this is going to be going at your roots. It says bottle 1 because before this box that I started using, I did not know about hot roots. That is awful. I looked it up for the first time and it is not a cute look. So this is bottle 1. They go in deep down your color profile. So they tell you exactly what is in bottle number 1. Then you get a second bottle for the rest of your hair. The other things you get in this is you get gloves. I got the size large for these puppies. And then the extras, everything you need to color at home like a pro. So the things you get in here, you get a classic shampoo, classic conditioner. Now, I've never used these. You get a stain guard. I have not used that either. I just go wipe with a wet wipe and just wipe it off if I get anything on me. And then a stain remover. I keep this on hand just in case I mess up. I have it on hand. So I have not thrown these away. I keep them for just in case. And then you have more instructions if you don't want the personalized ones that are much easier to read. I prefer this. I have not even opened these up because they are very detailed in this. And a sticker with it so you can hang your directions up so you don't have to touch it. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the color. This is a burgundy shade. My natural color is light golden blonde. Now, I have wanted this color that I chose forever. But I'm sitting there talking to myself, I'm like, you're too old. You cannot pull this off. It is too young for you. You can't do it. But you know what? With things that have happened in my life, I have learned you only live once. If I make myself look like a fool, I can laugh at it. I can fix it up. It's just hair color. But I really want to see this bold color. Will this suit me? Will I look like a clown? We're going to see. So go ahead and look how my color looks. And this is why I keep going with eSalon. I'm a person that cannot describe what I want very well. So when you're talking to your colorist, because you have your own colorist, they put the color that you asked for and it's designed just for you because not everybody's the same. So all the colors I go over and I show Pinterest things. I put that up there and I'm like, if you need to talk to me, please email me and I will try to describe, but I am not good with words. So going back and forth, she's nailed the colors, and with this new color, I told her I want a vibrant color, but I want it to be, it's hard, I told you I'm bad with words. I want it to look and suit me. I don't want to go out and have everybody gasp at it. I want it, the color to be bold, but to be bold for my personality. Because other people can go a lot bolder than me, but we were going back and forth, and she customize this color for me, and I cannot wait to see how it looks. Now, I am not saying the color on purpose because I want you to be shocked and I want your honest opinion, what you think of it. So I'm going to dive off camera and show you what color I got when I come back. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, I'm not sure. Don't laugh at me, but here it goes. So here it is. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. I asked for a very deep purple, a wearable purple. And I like the color, but I'm not sure if I can pull this off. Tell me what you think. The color is gorgeous, but just on my face it looks weird. I probably just have to get used to it, but the shade is gorgeous. So I'm relying on you. You guys are my friend. I know you would tell me the honest opinion, what you think the color looks like on me, because I know the color is gorgeous. I'm really happy with it. She did exactly what I wanted, is a very wearable purple. I hope it's coming through and you could see the deep tones of purple. Now my scalp may be colored a little bit because I don't know if it got all off of my scalp, because over here it was purple. So I had to use the stain guard and it actually came off. So I'm so glad I had this on hand, because if I didn't, I would be screwed. Now, if you're interested in trying this as well, what I pay for each box is $32.50, but if you do auto delivery, they take 20% off. So the custom color, just the one set, if you want to get the one bottle, it is going to be $26. Then if you want the refresh, which I like to do, but you can customize it however you like. You can do it every 2 months, every 2 dyes, every 4 dyes. You can customize it. So that is usually $22.50, but with 20% off, it is $18. So if you add all of it up, what I pay is $47.08, because there is $3.08 of tax. There's absolutely no shipping, which I like. And I'm going to keep using this app because I really like the eSalon. I don't have to go to the salon, because you pay a shit ton more than that price. The tip is at least $50 when you're getting your hair done. And I like that you can directly talk to your stylist. If you're not good with words, you could take pictures on Pinterest or wherever, get motivation, and send it to your colorist, and they work with you, which I like. For goodness sake, I can't even pick my nails out without looking at Pinterest, because one time I was on the spot and she's like, okay, I had to get a nail fix. And she's like, I'm going to do a different color for you, a different design. What do you want? And she saw my face like stutter out, and she's like, okay, I'll pick a design for you, and then next time you come in, you'll have yours locked and loaded. And that's how bad I am. So I like this app that I can sit there and talk to my stylist, and I get a color just for me. And I hope I get used to it, because this is really, really gorgeous. But that is me changing my hair color. I am going with a different attitude into life right now. So this is supposed to be a new me. So tell me what you think of the new me. Hopefully you like it. I know I just probably have to get used to it, because this is very, very different. I have never went this dark in my damn life. But let's go ahead and end this video with fur baby time. Here is the Miss Princess Sugar Bear. She is sending all her love and kisses your way. Let's ask her what she thinks of my hair. Shuggy, do you like my hair? Do you like it? Yes. Well, I'll take that as a compliment, because you have excellent taste. Alright guys, I will be having unboxings. I have a crap ton of boxes. I have it all stacked over there. I have 2 boxies. I have an Ipsy. I have Slay Glam. I have ice cream. So I'm going to decide which ones I'm going to do first, but I look forward to seeing you in those videos. Remember, you guys are fucking awesome. If you stuck around to the end, you are extra special. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.